Hello everyone, welcome to Hangzhou Anritang Instrument. This is our remote type electromagnetic flow meter designed for measuring conductive liquids. It is widely used in water supplying, wastewater monitoring, and industrial chemical processing. Available in size from 6 to 600 millimeters, with a separated sensor and transmitter design. It offers an IP68 protection rating, making it due of underground, high temperature, or other harsh environments. It supports remote installation and enables easy flow monitoring.
Symmetrical electrode installation, electrode material polish, 4 electrode structure, 2 grounding electrodes. Multiple process connections available, including flange, tri-clamp, and insertion. Welded joint design, seamless, smooth, and fully sealed. Certificates, CE certificate, CE certificate, etc.